Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting here on the daily chart, we have of course an impulse toward the upside for a wave A, B and a C, of course, finishing a wave C as a zigzag and looking for three corrective waves after it, and then potentially continuation toward the upside, meaning three waves up, three waves down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves toward the upside. If you are in a big wave 1 here, you finished a wave 2, of course the same ABC for a wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 potentially for another 1, 2, and then of course moving toward the upside with of course another 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5 of course a double in the top, of course, which is an ultimate bullish scenario. Now your bearish scenario is the following. You have of course a longer corrective wave, A, B and a C toward the downside. You would like to take this low, of course, which is this blue box. Hopefully not, of course, because of course this is gonna destroy Solana to $3 is too very low, yeah, from 200 or 300 even, yeah. So 300 to $3 is very low. So very low possibility as well. So I think we are a much more higher possibility in double 1-2. It can be of course hitting a minimum target at 0.38 at $75 or 0.5 at $50 or almost inside this blue box would be perfect, and then start to move for a higher in Solana impulsively, of course, for 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Very massive move toward the upside. Now, in case, of course, we are in a leading diagonal, it is a little bit low possibility, and that because, of course, we have hit the 1-to-1 fib level here, taken from this wave 1, of course, in the logarithmic chart. It looks, of course, longer, but it is not in price, right? As you can see, this wave has started from the $8. Yeah, so yeah, this, of course, is not exactly the same. But however, if we are looking here for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your wave 4, in case we are in this scenario, is also the same box between the 0.38 and the 0.5. Very nice, right? So in Confluence, you have this, and also in Confluence, we have three waves up, three waves down. Potentially, of course, it depends now on this wave A, where it's gonna end. Is it gonna be very long, or it's gonna end up here as ABC and then moving toward the upside? Now this is what we are looking at right now. So let's move inside it. Of course, inside this wave on the 4-hour chart to, of course, reanalyze this pattern. So we are looking potentially to double 1-2s here, and we're looking for a wave 3, 4 and a 5, very long wave 5. You still need one more for 5, and we got a wave 4 here potentially, and we're looking for a wave 5 toward the downside potentially, of course, to finish all these counts perfectly inside the blue box here, where we want to finish a wave 5, of course, between the 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level, taken from the wave 1 to the wave 3, giving us a perfect target exactly in this area. And as you can see, this wave did not took the low, even knowing that it is impulsive potentially. So let's move inside it as well in the micro analysis here. As you can see, we have 1, 2. Okay, so this is a high. This is your wave 4 here. And potentially, of course, yeah, there is a wave here, which is not really nice to see it. But it can be your wave 1 here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as a leading diagonal wave 1. Your wave 2 is here exactly. And then you're looking for a wave 3 here toward the downside. Your wave 3, potentially, this is your wave 3. And your wave 4 took the high here of there. Yeah, perfectly. Now we passed even the blue box. We took even higher than the, let me check, how much was it? Okay, we took the 0.5. Yes, we took the 0.5. So very nice. That is a very deep, I would say, wave 4. And potentially you're ready to move toward the downside. Now we see only red, one single wave, but yes, it is an impulse, definitely. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 on the 15-minute chart here, and then correction and continuation toward the downside. So potentially we are still looking for a lower in Solana, and a higher possibility, of course, for the blue box, which is gonna finish a full impulse toward the downside in a wave A, and then three waves up for a wave B, and then wave C. Now, hopefully that this whole thing is not a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 towards the downside, because this will bring us much more potentially to the big bearish scenario that we talked about it in the overview, A, B, and a C. Hopefully not as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. That was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.